Students, in the second part we are going to discuss about the short and very short answer type question. Okay, earlier to this we have solved the long answer type question. So let us start. Students, talking about short answer type question, the very first question is mention main part of the computer. So this question is asked in long answer type question also. So the main parts of computer are the input unit, the control unit, the memory unit, the arithmetic logic unit, and the output unit. Okay. Now students, coming to the second question. Second question is what are the, here you have to write T, what are the main input devices. Okay. So students, for this you have to write the name of some input devices. So the main input devices are like keyboard, like mouse, like scanner. Okay. Students, now coming to very short answer type question, VSA, that is very short answer type question. Here the very first question is what are the use of mouse. So basically you have to write down the use of mouse. So students, the use of mouse are as following. The very first use is that the buttons on the mouse perform several tasks. You have seen a mouse like this, and here are the buttons. So these buttons perform several tasks. Okay. Now students, what are the tasks? So basically mouse is used to select an icon on a screen. Okay, suppose here is the screen and here is the start button. Okay, start button is here. So to select an icon you have to click there. Okay. Now students, its third use is that it is used to open an document. Okay, suppose there is some files in the computer, there is some file. Okay, so to open it you need a mouse. Okay, so this is about the use of mouse. Now talking about second question. So second question is what is the use of a scanner. So students, for this you have to give the use of a scanner. Okay, so basically student, you know that scanner is a input device. Okay, it generally scan the images of full page. Okay, so basically if we talk about its use, the very first use is it is used like a photocopy machine. Okay, as photocopy machine does, it also photocopy the document. Okay. Now students, talking about the second, so it captures a whole page and convert it into a digital image. So suppose here is a page and there is some diagram in it. Suppose here is a plus symbol for doctor. Okay, so what a scanner does, it capture the whole page and convert it into digital image, and this will be converted into a digital image. Okay, from where editing can be done. Now students, talking about the third question. So third question is mention main devices of storing data. So students, as earlier also I have told you that for storing memory is used. Okay, and basically what happens, the data is stored in memory. But talking about the devices of storing data, so for this there are several devices like you also use in your homes, like pen drive. You have seen the DVDs, you have seen you have studied about the RAM and ROM, that is the primary memories. So these are the basic devices from where we can store the data. These devices are the hard disk drives, then the DVDs, then the pen drive, then the RAM and ROM. And RAM and ROM are basically the primary, you can say, or you can, basically the primary memories. Okay, and these hard disk, DVD and pen drive are secondary memory. So this is all about today's lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the match the following, the true false and fill in the blanks, and also objective answer type question of this chapter. Okay, thank you class.